Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.info, and today I have an unboxing of Charlotte Tilbury. So I want to show you what I got. So let's get started. Ta-da! So this is quite the mother load. This is all the goodies I got, and I'm going to go through them and show you exactly what I got. So the one good thing about Charlotte is when you order from her online, she lets you pick some samples. So I was allowed to pick 2 samples. So I picked the Airbrush Flawless Blur Concealer, which I have, but she gave me a bunch of other shades to try. And since we're going into the summer, I'm sure I'm going to have to go up a shade. So this is awesome. I get to play with the other shades and see what I would be once I'm tan. And of course, her magic cream. And you gotta love this. She just reformulated her magic cream. It's better than ever. If you don't have it, you should get it. It's amazing. So let's go over some of the goodies that I got. This is the Lip Cheat 90s Pink. And this is what it looks like. This is the shade. This is the 90s Pink. Great lip liner. I love her lip liners. They stay on really well. And she has like an array of shades. So perfect for any lipstick that you get. You can match up the shade. Let's see, what else did I get? I got this Lip Cheat. This is the 90s Pink. Oh, I'm sorry, I just showed you that. The iconic Nude. And this here is iconic Nude. This is what it looks like. That's iconic Nude. The next shade I got was Pink Venus. And this is Pink Venus. This is what it looks like, the shade Pink Venus. Next, let's see, we have the, can't read it, Eye Color Magic Liner Duo. And the shade is, I know it's a copper shade. It doesn't say on here what it is. But anyway, this is what it looks like. You've got more of a copper on this side and more of a bronzy brown on this side. This is an eyeliner. So there's a lot you can do with this. You can line the top of your eye with the dark and the lighter with the gold. I mean, there's so much you can do with the liners. Let's see. Excuse me. Next thing I got was the Lip Cheat Contour Duo. And this shade is, let me see if it's going to show me, Deep Ponce. And this is the Deep Ponce. Okay, this is a lip liner. And once again, it's a dual, kind of like the eyeliner pencil. And there's a lot you can do with this too. You can do an ombre with this. Maybe line the lip with the lighter shade and then darker on the outer corners of the lip. You can line your lip with the darker shade and then fill it in with the lighter and then put a gloss over it. I mean, there's a lot you can do with this. So much fun. Okay, let's see. What else did I get? I got some lipsticks. I got 90s Pink lipstick. And this is the 90s Pink lipstick. I'm actually going to open it and show it to you. That's the 90s Pink lipstick. And I'm excited to try that because I am all about the 90s. I love the 90s. It was my favorite era. So I'm excited to try that lipstick. The next shade is M.I. Kiss. And M.I. Kiss is this one. Let me just open it for you so you can see. This is M.I. Kiss. Whoops. This is M.I. Kiss. Beautiful shade. So I'm excited to try that one as well. And we got some other lipsticks over here. Velvet Underground. This is Velvet Underground. Let me just open it for you so you could see. Look at this color. Isn't this gorgeous? It's like a really vibrant, almost like a magenta. So I'm excited to try that one as well. And let's see, the next lipstick I got here is Mark of a Kiss. This is a great red. Everybody needs a red in their collection, and I chose this one. So I'm excited to try this lipstick as well. And last but not least, I got the Unreal Blush, and I got it in the Pink Glow. And this is what it looks like, the Pink Glow. And I'm going to take the top off. And that's what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? Looks like I scratched it a little bit, but that's the shade. I'm excited to try that one too for the summer. So this is my order that I got. And I'm excited to try everything. And I'll be doing videos demonstrating these colors very, very soon. So if you are interested in purchasing any of these lovely products, I am an affiliate with Charlotte Tilbury in her Magic Beauty Stars program. I'm going to drop all my information down below in the description, as well as all the makeup that I purchased, so that if you're interested, you can add it to your cart, as well as my Magic Beauty Stars link, which if you order from me and you copy my discount code, which I will also put down below, you're going to get 15% off your first purchase. If you've never purchased with Charlotte, you'll get 15% off your first purchase. It is for first-time online purchasers, my discount code, and it doesn't include virtual consultations or bundles or any special pricing on the website, any deals. But if you were to get all these lovely products, you would get 15% off your purchase. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you with color matching, or if you have any questions about the makeup. But once again, all my information is going to be down below in the description. And if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. And I hope you're having a lovely day. And I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.